So we need to calculate after 3 successive reflections what is the total deviation in the following figure. So this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Now this is the normal. So incident ray and reflected ray equal. So it is 50. Now this is the normal. No? Then this is 50 means the remaining angle 40. So if I am going to consider the triangle, let us see in this triangle. This is the at point P. First reflection at point Q, second reflection at point R, third reflection. So this is the final reflected ray after third reflection. This is the situation after 3 reflections. What is the total deviation we need to calculate? So this is the P, Q, R, and I am going to consider this is the some point O. Now in this triangle PQO, this is 40, this is 30. Then what is the total angle here? 40, 30 in this triangle PQO, triangle PQO. So this is 30, this is 30, this is 40, 30, 40, 70, 30, 40, 70. The remaining angle 110. Why? Because sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That's why this is 110 degrees, the total angle. This is the point of incidence on the second mirror. On the second mirror, this is the second mirror, this is the first mirror, of course. On the second mirror, this is the point of incidence. At point of incidence, I'm going to draw a normal. This is the normal. No? This is the normal drawn at point of incidence on the second mirror. That's why this is the normal to second mirror, so this is 90. Total angle 110 means this is 90 means what is the remaining angle? 20 degrees. So this is what 20 degrees. Incident angle at point Q. Incident angle at point Q. Now what is the remaining angle of reflection at point Q? 20. Angle of incident, angle of reflection both are same. This is also 20. Okay, right. Now this is 30 in this triangle. In triangle RQO. This is 30. What about this angle alone? This angle alone, can you guess? Total angle is what? 110. This is 90, I said. What about this angle alone? This is 20. This is 20. 40, no? So subtract the 40 degrees from the 110. What is the remaining angle? That is only this angle. This 110 angle is the total angle, complete angle. Complete angle Q, that is angle PQO. Angle PQO. Complete angle is the 110. But I require this angle alone. That is RQO. Angle RQO I require. RQO. That angle alone. So from 110 I need to subtract 40. Why? Because this is the 20, this is the 20. Totally 40 degrees subtracted. You are going to get how much? 70. So this is the 30, this is the 70. Then what about this angle? In triangle ORQ or RQO, 70, 30, 100. The remaining angle 80. Why? Because angle sum property of a triangle. 30, 70, 100 plus 80, 180. So this is the 80 degrees. Okay, right. Now at point R, at this point of incidence R, I'm going to draw a normal. So normal means this angle is 90. Then this is 80 means what is the remaining angle? 10 degrees. Then 80 plus 10, 90. Okay. Now at point of R, angle of incidence is 10. Then what is the angle of reflection? 10. That's all. Now what is the angle of incidence at point P? 50 degrees. What is the angle of incidence at point Q? 20 degrees. What is the angle of incidence at point R? 10 degrees. So total deviation is equal to summation of 180 minus 2y at each and every point of reflection. So 180 minus at point P, 180 minus 2 into what is the incident angle? 50, plus at point Q, 180 minus 2 into what is the angle of incidence here? 20 degrees. An angle of incidence 20 degrees at this place. So 2 into I, 2 into 20 plus 180 minus at point R, angle of incidence is 10 degrees. So 2 into 10. Then 180 minus 2 times 50, 100 plus 180 minus 2 times 20, 40 plus 180 minus 2 times 10, 20. So 180 minus 100, 80. 180 minus 40, 140. 180 minus 20, 180 minus 20, 160. 160 totally. So 100, 200, 380. 380 degrees. Let us see here what is the original path. This is the original path. From the original path to how much it is deviated? This much is deviated. This much is deviated. That is clockwise deviation. Clockwise deviation from this path, original path to how much it will be deviated? This much. Clockwise. Here also observe. This is the original path. How much deviated from this path to? It will be reflected like this. Then this is the deviation angle. What is this one? Clockwise deviation from this point to this point. Observe. From this point to this point. Clockwise deviation. Second deviation also is a clockwise deviation only. Next here. This is the incident ray. So this is the path actually, original path. This is the original path. This is the final path. From the original path to final path, how much deviation? This is the deviation. From here to here. Deviation. This is also clockwise deviation. Observe the arrow. Clockwise deviation. All are clockwise deviation only. That's why at point P clockwise deviation, at point Q clockwise deviation, at point R clockwise deviation. So that's why 380 degrees clockwise. 380 degrees clockwise. Thank you.